Hello, boss. This is a Chinese manufacturer of numerical control machine tools. I'm Xiao Gao, the sales boss in charge of overseas markets. Follow me into our machining center, and I will take the production workshop. Friends know about our company's machine tools. To see the quality of the machine tool, it depends on the optical machine of the machine tool. That is, the machine tool without sheet metal. This is our optical machine. The machine is a standard 3-axis structure. The spindle is an 8,000 revolutions per minute high-speed and high-rigidity spindle. X-axis travel 800 millimeters, Y-axis travel 550 millimeters, Z-axis travel 550 millimeters. Let's take a look at the specific configuration. The design of the Z-axis 6 slider makes the machine more rigid. The width of the rail is 45 millimeters. Column widening and enlarged design. So the fixed joint surface is fine ground. X-axis rail with 35 millimeters. High frequency quenching on the upper layer of the trailer to prevent the table from bumping. The width of the Y-axis rail is also 45 millimeters. After saying so much about the rigidity of the machine tool, let me take a look at its rigidity when processing products. Compared with the price and the price of scrap iron, the quality is not worse than that of Korean machine tools. Is the boss of the cheap and good machine tool excited? If you need it, remember to contact me.